salamat. It's good to see you.
Thank you. Pleasure here. Looking forward to this interview.
Sabi ko, ito'y isang pag-uusap, pero parang blooming ka, parang kang sunflower, katulad ng pangalan mo sa Twitter. Why sunflower?
Well, because nung first time akong pumunta sa probinsya to work, no, as a social worker, it was in Bukidnon. And when we were going to Bukidnon from Cagayan de Oro, the first sight that greeted me, imagine this is 1973, November. So we were just going up, that really dates me. I'm not exaggerating, mountains and mountains of sunflower. And I really thought I was in Shangri-La. And the Father Juni was laughing at me because I was squealing with delight, literally. And from then on, that became my moniker.
How much of that Dinky in 1973 is still there?
It's still very much there, no? The essence. If a little, shall we say, may mga peklat na sa sugat na scars, no? May scars na a little, shall we say, guarded optimism as opposed to fully bloom out of
optimism.
na naniniwala ka sa lahat.
Dinky, sa mga pagkakataon na ikay naiipit between your NGO community and your government community, paano ka?
First thing, I really stop and really pray, you know, and I ask God give me the wisdom to know how to mediate the situation, because not all the time will the positions of my colleagues in NGOs and civil society will be the same with government.
Kasi hindi sila magkikita sa lahat ng oras at there are points na may conflict talaga ang pananaw between your NGO family and your government family.
Exactly.
A lot of times.
At those times, after I've prayed about it, really the effort to explain one side to the other.
That can be tedious.
Very tedious. And sometimes you will be misunderstood by both parties.
Have you been accused of being a traitor to one?
Oh, yes.
You have?
I have. Especially my colleagues in NGOs. They've been disappointed. They felt that I should have...
Tinalikuran mo ang yung NGO community.
Or I should have sided with that advocacy. And that spans over my first tour of duty as government person.
That can be painful.
Very painful.
That can be painful. Are you comfortable in politics?
Well, shall we say, it's something that I need to deal with. Ang isang reflection ko, politics need not be bad. Politics need not be dirty. Because politics, in its essence, you know, when it started, it came from the idea that the polity, which is the citizenry, coming together and saying, ganito ang gusto naming lipunan, and ito yung proseso na gusto naming gawain with chosen leaders who we cede part of our power.
Kasi halimbawa, ikay pinapanood ka namin defending the budget of the DSWD. 123% increase of the budget from 15 billion to 34 point something billion. Nung ikay nasa harap ng mga politiko, ano you were trying to explain why you deserved, hindi ba? May pagdududa sa'yo kung kaya mo pangalagaan ang ganoong kalaking budget. How did that feel?
Alam mo, talagang tatanggapin ko, Boy, na hirap ako. Meron akong tawag ko Zen Scent. Isang maliit na bote na may peppermint lavender. Nung masyadong matindi na yung pasok ng mga tanong. Doon, ako'y umiinom ng tubig. Siguro 5 bote yung naubos ko. Tapos itong Zen Scent, lalagay ko dito, irarap mo, tapos inaamoy-amoy ko. Kasi nakakakalma yon. At para ako
Nakailang bote ka?
5 bote ng tubig. At baka nga akala nila nagra-rugby ba to? Kasi pagkatapos kong gano'n, ngingiti na ako.
Adik na po yun.
So if you need something to relax you in a difficult negotiation, that really helped me.
Pero balikan ko lamang yung mga personal, Dinky. Hanggang ngayon ba, pag pinag-uusapan ng Hayat 10, is that a stigma?
Alam mo, nakakatuwa nga, Boy, merong mga tao na ang tingin stigma yan. At maririnig mo yan sa medyo mataas ang posisyon or medyo, sabihin na nating marangya ang buhay. Na parang iniwan nyo ang isang tao.
Pag sinasabi yan, na iniwan niyo si dating Presidente Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, ang mga kwento pa noon, I'd like to hear your side of the story, Dinky. The day before, a week before, we will hold on together, kumakanta, at bigla na lamang kinabukasan ay you deserted your president. What is your side of the story?
Alam mo, yun, baka magandang maintindihan na as early as January of 2005, kami nakikipagdialogo na sa kanya at sinasabi na namin kung ano yung mga nakikita naming problema at issues kaugnay ng governance.
Magsabad, di ba?
We would tell her the things that we thought should be corrected. And that dialogue went on until June, until the tape came out.
So when was the singing?
The singing was after the night that she said, I'm sorry. Now, yung kumanta, actually, hindi na namin dapat kantahin yon. Kasi may mga ibang cabinet members na sabi, sobra na yan, Dinky, huwag na tayong kumanta. Okay na yung bulaklak. Kaya lang, nung nag-umpisa ng lumakad palabas si Pangulong Arroyo, at that time, tapos na yung aming dialogo sa kanya, somebody started singing it. And kinanta na namin lahat. Alam mo, yung aksyong kong yun, together with the rest of the cabinet, isang pagkilala sa mahalagang ginawa niyang pagharap sa mamamayan. Subalit, yung mga sumunod na aksyon niya, hindi nagpakita sa amin na umalis, na seryoso siyang wastuhin lahat.
Okay, because Dinky Suliman was perceived to be a close friend of the president. Can you enlighten us?
Yeah, actually, nakilala niya ako October 2000. So, hindi ko siya dating kasama pa, hindi ko siya kaklase. Hindi niya alam na may Dinky Suliman until October 30, 2000. She appointed me January 2001. So, hindi niya ako talaga kilala. But I must admit, we developed a healthy, respectful relationship. Pero yung sasabihin kami ay best friends or close na close, hindi naman. At alam niya yon.
I'd like to talk to you about the poor. Alam mo, kilalanin natin ng mabuti. Sino nga talaga ang mahirap? Ano nga talaga ang pagkatao ng mahirap? Ugali niya? Anong kanyang mga pangarap? Dinky, you're loved. You're loved by many people. I mean, I've known you for many years now. What was the worst thing said about you? What was the best thing? Ikaw ba'y natawag ka ng mga kaaway at kritiko mo na magnanakaw? And, you know, the last time I spoke to you, sabi mo nga, ang schedule mo ay toxic. How do you relax? I mean, I'm one, do you dance? Do you sing? Lahat ng mga kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng The Bottom Line. Bakit maraming kumakalaban sa iyo?
Iba naman ang kanilang motibo sa pagkikriticize. Wala na akong magagawa doon.